Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to join lines. So for example, I will create lines with these line tools. Okay, you can click here and another I will create the polyline from this endpoint and then connect into here. Right click and OK. Now in here we have three objects. Okay, first line, the second line, and the polyline. Now if you want to join these all lines, you can select, go to edit menu, click reshape, and then use unify. So if you select again the object, it will be automatically joined. Okay, that's it for basic RCCAD tutorial how to join line.